Welcome children. In this video, we learn about how to calculate volume. The amount of space an object takes up or occupies is called its volume. Volume can be measured by multiplying area into height. This slide flashes the story of Thirsty Crow, which had a secret hidden scientific theory. The theory is how the crow had quenched its thirst by bringing up the volume of water to reach out its beak. This was propounded by the Greek scientist Archimedes. He proposed water displacement theory. To determine the volume of a regularly shaped object, you multiply the length by width by height. Here is the example. The length of this cuboid is 10 cm, width is 6 cm, height is 5 cm. Therefore, the volume of this cuboid is equal to 10 into 6 into 5, which is equal to 300 cubic centimeter. Volume of regular objects can be measured using the unit cubic centimeter. The unit of liquids and irregular objects can be measured using milliliter. 1 milliliter is equal to volume of a cube of any object. So 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Volume is an important property of matter. We now know two important general properties of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. This slide shows how to calculate the volume of an irregular object. First, you mark the initial volume of the water. Here it is marked as 30 ml. After immersion of the irregular object, note the final level of the water, that is 40 ml. Now calculate the volume of the object. So 40 minus 30 is equal to 10 ml. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Therefore, 10 ml is equal to 10 cubic centimeter. Here are the steps. Record the volume of water in the graduated cylinder. Carefully place the irregular solid into the water. Record the new volume of the water. Subtract the volume of the water from the volume of the water plus the object. To determine the volume of irregular shaped solid, we simply submerged it into water. The volume of water that the object displaces is equal to the volume of the object. Assignment. Write down the definition of volume in notes. What are the common units of volume? How many milliliters are there in a teaspoon? What is the volume of the brick? How was the volume calculated? What is the volume of any irregular object? Thank you, children.